Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about low maintenance haircut ideas. Life is busy and sometimes you just want a haircut that looks great without the daily use. First, let's dive into some low maintenance haircut ideas that are stylish, practical and totally trying. First up, the classic pixie cut. Short, sweet and unique effort. It's perfect if you want a bold look with zero styling drama. Just wash, maybe add a bit of texture and you are ready to go. Next, consider a sleek short bob, clean lines, easy passy. It's frame your face nicely and works great with a quick blow dry or even air dry. Want some versatility? Add a bit of product for shine done. How about a layered medium cut? It adds movement, reduces bulk and lets your hair flow naturally. Great for those with wavy or curly hair. Just let it do its thing. A little spray for volume and you are ready to go. The shoulder length cut with minimal trim is another winner. Easy to manage, works with most styles and does not need constant upkeep. Throw on a scarf or let it loose for some time. A bit aggy, try a blunt cut with a bit of length, low on styling, high on cheek. Pair it with a good dry shampoo and you are skipping the wash day. If texture your thing, a chunky cut with loads of layers works wonders. Great for thick hair. It thins it out and adds that effortless vibe. And for super low maintenance, a simple straight cut with no flares. Easy to wash, dry and go. Great for everyone waiting that no think about it look. Use dry shampoo. Keep trim on a schedule but not too often. Play with accessories. Hair clips make a big difference. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share my video, subscribe my channel. So friends, see you again with next video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.